Well, October officially in the books, and unfortunately it was another very dry month around here. Less than an inch of precipitation added up, over 2 inches below average. As you count them up here, only 6 days where we saw measurable rainfall. It was ultimately the 11th driest October in Fort Wayne's history, and as a result, drought continues to expand as we wrap up the month. Just look at how many areas are in extreme drought, even becoming increasingly concerned about impacts to spring planting next year because of how severe this fall drought is. So we're crossing our fingers this can change soon as we progress toward the winter months. Let's look at temperatures. We were 2.9 degrees above average this October, thanks in part to plenty of warmth to start the month. We came back closer to more seasonable levels, though, later on in the month. Ultimately good for the 28th warmest October in Fort Wayne's history. In fact, look at the 80-degree and higher days. Usually we average 2 of them. The record is 14 back in 1963. This year we had 7 of them, half of our record total. That was from October 1st to 6th, and again on the 18th we climbed up into the 80s, plenty above average. Into November, though, we typically see high temperatures drop from the 50s down into the 40s, lows from the 30s to the 20s. Precipitation-wise, just under 3 inches. Hopefully we get as much of that as we can. And yes, for the snow lovers out there, 1.9 inches of snow is what we usually see in November. Got to throw in these stats here since I love snow. Our average first measurable snowfall of the season comes November 14th, but we've waited until December 23rd before. Hopefully that doesn't happen this year. In fact, we're still waiting for that 3-inch or more snowfall in Fort Wayne. Got to go back to January of 2023 to find that, a record that keeps on extending. What's the outlook, though, for this November? According to the Climate Prediction Center, equal chances for above or below average precipitation, and we have a slight chance to see above average temperatures. You can read more right now on Wayne.com, and of course we'll cross our fingers we can see some more rainfall this November.